checked his phone to see if he's cheating and found screenshots of me cheating. Oh my God. It's not funny. It's not funny. That's terrible. But I mean, it explains a lot. That's probably why you think that he's cheating, is because you feel guilty on your own.
Am I the drama? I don't think I'm the drama.
This was recent too. June 20th, 2022 at 4:33 a.m. Sometimes you really do just be up thinking about things, you know? Blossom got. I was being a dick to a taxi driver tonight and didn't pay my fare, so I done a runner and left my phone in the car because I'm a stupid bleep. And this is the taxi driver writing this status. That's so funny. At first I was like, where is this going? And why would you ever, first of all, why would you ever do that? But why would you ever admit to it in a Facebook post? We have our answer. We have our answer. That's what happens. That is instant justice. I love that. Well, they got a new phone, so you could probably sell that. Make more money than the fare would have been. I feel like I'm watching a horror movie right now. I'm scared. Oh my God, that scared me. That scared me so bad. I really was like, what is about to happen? I feel like this is some like found footage horror thing right now. Nope, just a drunk girl trying to pee in an alley for some reason. Just weird, just weird. That was a big gush of water. Yup. That's what happens. Also, risky business trying to mess with a Canadian goose. Those things are vicious, they are scary, and they don't care, okay?
They will come for you.
They're crazy though, they really are. I don't know. They're, what's the word I'm looking for? They like confrontation. Wow, Canada geese really are Karens, now that I'm realizing. Oh no, I'm nervous. That's what happens. That's what happens. You can't rage out like that, you know? That's what happens. Yikes, that would suck. His reaction is exactly what I would do. Just like, oh, I'm an idiot. At least it didn't hit the PlayStation though. It was pretty close. I don't know. I guess they both suck. They're both expensive. I don't know what to tell ya. There's no good. It's all bad. I tried to like look on the bright side, but it didn't work. Yeah, I mean, what did you think was gonna happen, to be honest? I'd be pretty annoyed if somebody did that too, when I was working at the bar. I hate when people, even like at the restaurant I work at, like our taps are on the other side, so nobody would be able to do this unless they came actually behind the bar, which would be insane. But like sometimes people will like reach over to like grab a napkin or something. I'm like, this isn't your house.
Ew, David.
Get your hands out of here. Like, if you need something, ask. You can't just reach over and grab stuff.
That's what she said.
Crazy. People are crazy. Did he just like not notice? Or I don't know, sometimes people get so caught up in like what they want to do. Also, who's racing in a truck? I don't know a lot about cars or going fast, but it just seems like a bizarre choice to race in. But maybe trucks are just really fast, I don't know. Let me know, car people, enter the chat and let me know. Are trucks just really fast and a really good racing vehicle? I don't know. Also, why do people try and race on roads? Yeah, I mean, why are there so many people in a parkade though? Why? Not really a cool hangout spot, to be honest. And it seems really annoying, like it's really hard to drive by, which is kind of the whole point of, well, I guess the whole point is to park, but still, there's, you know, the before and after of that. Yeah, that really is instant justice if I've ever seen it.
I'm built different.
I'm built different.
That's very funny. I was thinking that. I was like, I feel like I could probably crack an egg right here. I don't know why I would. Seems like kind of a waste of an egg, but I think I could. Like if he did that with like a watermelon, oh, my mind would have been blown. But like an egg? I don't know. Gravity can crack an egg, you know? Drop it. Yeah, like what the hell? Why did she not realize either? Like just try to giggle your way through when you clearly upset somebody.
Ew, David.
Cause like imagine roles are reversed. It's a thing, people just don't think about it. Like it's not okay either way. Both are just inappropriate. Also, you're at like Disney or something. Like why would you even, it's just a weird place to even think that that's acceptable in the first place. But like, you can't do that. Would you want somebody to do that to you? Probably not. People forget that it goes both ways. It's crazy to me. Oh. Yep, that's what happens. It's just a bad situation through and through. He made a series of mistakes there, it looks like. That was not the first one today. What just happened? I have no idea what I just watched. I know he showed his butt to the other bus, but then what happened at the end? It looked like something was falling off, but I don't know. It's kind of hard to see from here. And I don't know. I don't know what happened. Well, that's it. That's all the clips we have. We're ending off on a high note at least. Yeah, I hope you had a silly goose time. I hope you learned some lessons today. And I'll see you again very soon, I'm sure. I've been your host today, Olivia Kozlowski. Bye. Oh. First two are picks. Oh, we're tired on this Monday morning. Sleepy. That's what I would do. Or they can come and get it from you. And then they can pay you double now. Sorry, it was surge charge. I'm an Uber now. Chris, have you ever had an encounter with a goose?
No.
Oh, they're crazy. One time one bit me when I was a kid on the finger. Don't feed them bread. It's not good for them, and they also might bite you on the finger. I get it, like the guy doesn't seem like well, I was gonna say like the guy didn't seem like he had malicious intent, but he was trying to steal alcohol. Like, you can't do it. I know it seems like a funny little thing, but like I could get, as a bartender, I could get in a lot of trouble for that. You know? You just can't do it. That's what that was, right? He went to race? I don't know. I always like ask questions expecting someone to answer, and then I realize that it's just me and Chris. It's just us here hanging out. It's two guys wondering if they were trying to race. Fuck, I could have slept for 3 more hours at least. All right.